Today we're going to be creating a thunderstorm. So we have some red food dye, which is going to represent our warm or hot air. And we have some blue dyed ice cubes, which is going to represent our cold air. We're going to watch the cold air mix with the warm air. And that's how a thunderstorm is created. So we're going to gently place the ice cubes in our water on one side. And then we're going to add 6 drops of our red to the other side. We're going to watch the cold blue water go to the bottom, and we're going to watch the warm red water go to the top as hot air rises and cold air goes to the ground. And they're going to mix together to create a thunderstorm. So we'll watch that for a couple seconds. Until it probably should go about purplish. You can see it slowly combining. I like that front we're happening up there. Oh, and they're colliding. Look at that. That's cool. That's so neat. Oh, now it's getting hit. There goes our thunderstorm. Super neat. It's a really fun experiment. You guys can try at home too. Super easy. Ice cubes and food dye and water.